guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a fruit for thought for August. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my fruit for thought box just arrived for August, and you guys, I'm so excited because this month's theme is peaches and cream. I love me some peach and add some cream. Yes. So I am so excited. Now I know next month I'm super excited because it is peanut butter and banana, and I love me some peanut butter and banana. So I was looking forward to this month and next month for a while. And if you want to know even further, for October, my birthday month, is coffee and apple pie. November is grapefruit mint, and December is Candyland, which that sounds like an amazing theme for December. So let's go ahead and get into August box. If you want to know about Fruit for Thought, you can actually use my code CRAFTY20 for 20% off a full order, because they have two different sizes. They have a full box order and a mini. So my code is only good for the full size box. The full size monthly box is a fun gift subscription box with a new fruit or vegetable theme. Each month you will get 5 to 8 specially curated items with that month's theme involved. It's $44.99 for the full size or $31 for the mini, and the mini you'll get 4 to 5 of the items that are in the big box. So you can sign up by the 9th of the month and get that month's box. If you sign up after the 9th, then you will get the following month's box. So if you sign up now, you will get peanut butter and banana. Oh, I can't wait. Oh, I can't wait. You can skip or cancel at any time as long as you notify them by the 1st of the month. And let's go ahead and dive on in here and see what we have. Okay. All right. There we go. So that is what it looks like when we first open the box. They always have their little ribbon with all of the fruits on it. And now this month we have this really cute paperclip with a peach. Perfect for peaches and cream. So that is adorable. So let's go ahead and cut the tape. And that is what it looks like when you first open the box. They have their cards and all of the products. So let's go ahead and let's see here. Ooh, here is a recipe: peaches and cream fruit pizza. Peaches and cream dip mix, 1 cup of sour cream, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 package of sugar cookie dough, sliced peaches and blueberries. Ooh, that sounds and looks amazing. I'm gonna have to try that. So August peaches and cream is the theme. September's theme is peanut butter and banana, like I just explained. And on the back of this card, we'll go over the products that are in the box. So let's go ahead and dive in. I'm so excited. Right on top, I'm seeing little candies. There's these little guys right here, and I wonder if these are peach. Let's find out. Peaches and cream. Oh my gosh, it is peach. Oh my goodness, that is peach. Mmm. Oh my goodness, that is so good. I'm gonna hide these. Mmm. Okay, so the first item, Flower Pot Tea Company, Sun-Kissed Peach Flavored Blooming Tea. 4 wrapped tea blossoms. Makes 48 cups of tea. What? Out of 4, what? Are you serious? A flower comes out? What? Look, is that really how it's gonna look when we, hold on. Bloom in a teapot, add 1 bloom to a clean teapot, add hot water, fill the teapot with a quart of hot water, wait for 3 to 5 minutes, and wait and watch. Enjoy a cup, relax, sip slowly, and savor the bloom. Reuse your bloom, infuse your bloom up to 3 times. This package contains enough blooms to make 4 pots of tea or 48 cups. What? Okay, you guys, so I opened this lovely little tea ball looking thing, and this is what is inside. So I have my near boiling water, and I'm going to actually put it in my teeny tumbler so we can see what this does. All right, let's see what happens. It's floating. So from the top, you can see that it is a full flower. Remnants of sunshine. The peach captures both the taste and good health of summertime. Our sun-kissed peach tea is brimming with juicy nectar, grounded by melon notes and white tea and elegant floral sweetness. What? Ingredients: jasmine flowers, marigold flowers, white tea, natural flavors, and another flower. That is crazy. So does it say? This is only in the full-size box. And this box doesn't go over pricing or anything, but they go over the items. So it just says the same thing that I basically just read, the remnants of sunshine, that kind of thing. And this is at www.flowerpottea.com. Watch the bloom unfold. I have got to do that, you guys. That sounds so cool. Have you guys ever heard of a tea bloom where it blooms into a flower? I can't wait to see what that does. Yes. Let's see if it smells like peach. Oh, how neat. So it comes in this little like reusable jar too. I do smell peach. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. So that's amazing. That's what it looks like inside. And you have this reusable container. So that is really cool. So there's item number 1. Next we have Be in a Good Mood, Hopeful Sweet Peach Car Fragrance. Okay, cool. So this is www.beinagoodmood.com. Peach scented car air freshener will have a healing, relaxing influence to immediately put you in the refreshing mood while driving. Only in the full-size box. Oh wow. Oh my goodness, that smells really good. That smells really good. So it's the kind that you stick in your vent, and it looks kind of like a bagel. Maybe, I don't know. It just says, Be in a Good Mood, Hopeful Sweet Peach. But maybe this will be the top of a peach. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, I'm going to go put that in my car right now so it can sit in there overnight. That smells so good. Okay, so there's that item. And again, those 2 items are only in the full-size box. So then next we have, this looks like these are plastic, like reusable containers. And it has, come on. Won't it be more fun packing your lunch in one of these 3 packs of www.widgeteer.com containers decorated with your favorite fruits? So you have, there is a peach in there, so there's that. And here are the containers. So that is really cool. That's really cute because it has a cute little top with different fruits on it, and that is really cool. Okay, you guys, so we have 3 pieces of plastic containers with fruit on the lids. So that this item would have been in both the mini and the big one. And the big one, ooh, here's another candy. Okay, so right here we have handmade shampoo bar. Solid shampoo is the newest way to wash your hair. This perfect for travelers. Simply rub over wet hair and use fingertips to to massage lather. I kind of like mix some words together. Ooh, that smells really good. That smells like peach right there. www.luxebleu.com has made for us a peach shampoo bar to make your hair smelling great. And that smells just like peach, you guys. And they're different than, and it's way different scents than like this one. This smells like just straight peach. It smells so good. Okay, so next we have, oh, how cute. This is shaped like a little peach. Cheeky Peach hand poured soap. So a little, like a peach on a rope instead of soap on a rope. Let's see. Peach scented and shaped soap on a rope, handmade by Ruby Fizz Soaps at Etsy.com, will make a fun addition to bath time. So that is straight a peach. This one I can vaguely smell. Okay, now I'm getting a little bit more now that I'm, yeah, I do smell peach now that I'm kind of in the bag with my nose. So there's that item. And then the last thing in here, oh, and on here it says, use this cute peach applique paper clip by Pinky Bows at Etsy to mark any special occasion or to save the page, So that's this guy right here. So the last item, peaches and cream dip mix. Oh, that sounds amazing. So here is that. Simple to prepare. Ingredients needed is peaches and cream dip mix, which is right here. 8 ounces of cream cheese softened and 1 cup of sour cream. I can't wait to try that. That sounds so good, you guys. It says www.countryhomecreations.com brings to life a lovely blend of real peaches with the perfect amount of rich creaminess to make this mix a soon-to-be party favorite. Dip this with any of your favorite sweet treats, from graham crackers to sugar cookies. It's dynamite with fresh fruit. See recipe included in box. So that recipe card that they included in the box it gives you a different way to use this as well if you want to do it for that. So that is awesome. So that is everything that came in this month's box. Again, it was peaches and cream. So we got the peach dip mix. We got the peach on a rope. We have a shampoo bar. We have this car air freshener. This that I can't wait to see how this works with the tea. We have this marker book, like a book marker or whatever you want to do with this little guy. And then you have the plastic containers. So, oh, and don't forget about these candies that taste really good. So that is everything that came in this month's box, you guys. What did you think? I really love that they stick to one theme, being fruit or sometimes vegetables, and they curate the entire box off of that specific fruit or vegetable. So this is, you guessed it, peaches and cream. Next month, I can't wait for peanut butter and banana, you guys. Oh my goodness, I love peanut butter. Love peanut butter. So that is everything that I have for you. Comment down below. Let me know what you thought about this box. Your positive interaction means the world. And if you're not already, I would greatly appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button, and then you'll see the different videos that I do load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.